Hi guys, and welcome back to Fiber Theory. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make a back post double crochet. And you'll notice that I have my very pretty orange yarn in time for fall. Go ahead and grab your yarn ball and a hook and we'll get started. Okay, so as you'll notice, I already have an entire row of double crochets worked into the foundation chain so far. And this is what you'll need in order to work on your back post double crochets. So go ahead and make this chain, make a row of double crochets, and then I'll meet you back. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and chain 2, and I'm going to turn my work. Okay, so now to make the back post double crochet, you'll need to grab your yarn to make a double crochet. We're going to take this hook, and between the posts here is a space. I want you to take your hook and place it between the posts. Take the hook around, and there's another area here between these two posts here. I want you to take the hook and go inside there like that, and I want you to grab your yarn and bring it through the back of that post, okay? And then you're just going to go ahead and finish off the double crochet. Grab your yarn. Here's the next post you're going to work. Go between these two, the space here, go in there, go around into the space here, grab your yarn and pull it through, and finish off the double crochet. And that's what it looks like from the front. Like I said before, it's the exact opposite of the front post double crochet, which is basically essentially what you have on this side. If you turn it around here like this, you're going to see you have 2 front post double crochets. So what's going on one side, the opposite is happening on the other side. Okay? So continue making your back post double crochets by taking the hook through the space here, around the post, the other space, grab the yarn, pull it through, and finish off the double crochet. So keep practicing until you get to the end of this row, and then I'm going to show you how to finish off the very last stitch. Alright, so as you'll see here, you finished off this stitch right here. You have this one here to contend with now, this one at the end. That is actually a stitch. So you'll need to go, grab your yarn, go behind it, okay? Grab your yarn, pull it through, and finish off the double crochet. And that actually will push this post back, okay? When you look at the other side, you have an entire row of front post double crochets. As I said before, whatever you do on one side, the opposite is occurring on the other side. Anyway, that is how you make a back post double crochet. I suggest you guys go back to the beginning of the video and practice it again. Watch it as many times as you need to until you can really get it down. Because when we come back in a couple of more videos, I'm going to teach you guys how to make crocheted cables. And in order to do the cables, you have to know both the front post and back post double crochet. Alright, so you guys go practice, have a lot of fun with it, enjoy the process, and I will be back with the next video where I'm going to teach you guys how to make a front post triple crochet. I'll see you then. But first, click on this video to see how to make the front post double crochet stitch before moving on.